Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's New Year's is amazing. All right, guys, so we do have some more spoilers for the BoxyCharm February premium box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified of every video I upload. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which were spoilers for the Ipsy February Ultimate Box. Congratulations, Kelly Angelo. Kelly says, first, laugh out loud. Well, yes, you are, my love, and I really appreciate you having your bell on. Thank you so much, Kelly. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first I'm going to show you what we already know about, and then I'm going to show you the new spoiler. So now first up is a variation. You'll either be getting the Sutra Beauty, the ceramic flat iron, or you're going to get the Carity P Chianti eyeshadow palette. I probably said that wrong, but you know what? I do apologize if I did. Next up is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. And now for the spoiler that they just revealed. And of course, we've seen this sneak peek. We knew it was coming in February. We just didn't know which box. It is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. So of course, guys, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I'll keep you guys updated. You know, I gotta keep you in a loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read a comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Sheila Morgan. Sheila says, I absolutely love your videos. Please give me a shout out. Well, here's your shout out, Sheila. I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much, Sheila. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You could only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all the spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.